Welcome to Matsuura. Matsuura offers many options to attain lights-out operation, one of which is this palletized system. It includes multiple pallets. If you complete pallet setups beforehand, the machines keep running by changing those pallets automatically. The reliability of the palletized system comes from Matsuura's pallet manufacturing quality. Please let us show you our commitment to pallet manufacturing. There are 3 key points. I will go through each individually. The palletized system achieves extended unmanned operation by changing the pallets over and over. Surface accuracy and positioning repeatability are essential to maintaining precision, accuracy, and stability. At Matsuura, we have very strict internal standards for pallet surface grinding. Also, we intentionally make the surface concave. This is because the fixtures and the work hardenings sit on the pallet firmly with more contact area. As you see, a convex shape supports the fixture at one point, which makes the setup unstable. A concave shape is for better stability of work hardenings. Matsuura mainly sells 5-axis machines with pallet tables that tilt and rotate in every direction. Therefore, 5-axis operation with a pallet requires a high level of geometric and positioning accuracy for the pallet itself. The rotary grinder plays a key role in establishing the required accuracy. At Matsuura, we carefully perform finish grinding on each pallet individually using the rotary grinder. Workpieces on the table alternate while being ground on a linear grinder. In this application, the location of a workpiece on the table can create a difference in pallet thickness. The symmetry when we rotate the table cannot be ideal. We will never be able to make a concave shape for stable fixture setting. On the other hand, the rotary grinder runs the table and grinds the surface. Therefore, we can achieve the surface accuracy equally throughout the entire pallet surface with a concave shape. Of course, we can increase efficiency if we grind multiple pallets simultaneously. However, at Matsuura, pallet quality is our priority, and we always complete finish grinding individually. This is one of our commitments to our customers.
総合物流本部加工の山田博です。パレットの検索には20年ほど関わっています。パレットの精度を良くするためにポイントが2点あります。1つ目はパレット検索の仕上げ代を常に同じ取り代にしている点です。同じ取り代にすることで仕上がり時の面相、水準、厚みを安定させ、同じ品質でパレットを供給することができます。2つ目は加工機械マスタークランプ装置パレットの位相を必ず同じにしている点です。全てを同じ位相にすることで品質のばらつきをなくし、多面 PC でも安定した精度につながっています。図面の指示にはありませんが、このようなことを実践して常に安定したパレットの供給を行っています。
To achieve the best accuracy and repeatability with minimized deviation, we use the master clamping device for rotary grinding. This hydraulic clamping mechanism is the same used on our machining centers. With this master clamping device, we can duplicate the surface accuracy that we achieve on the rotary grinder. Every single pallet is ground on only one master clamping device. This is why all pallets have great positioning accuracy no matter which pallet is called into the machine. We do maintenance to this master clamping device with the utmost care by regular calibration. In addition, the back side of the pallet has tapered contact surfaces. In this design, the contact area is maximized when clamping. Compared to the spigot joint system, the tapered joint system has better stability and repeatability. This is another reason for pallet repeatability. Also, we are very confident in the pallet compatibility. For instance, there is no difference in thickness among the pallets used in machine A. This is normal. When machine B has the same type of pallets as machine A, we can move one pallet from machine A to machine B because we minimize variation. As long as they are the same type of pallets, there is no individual difference. This is why we are confident to say you can retrofit and expand your palletized system, buy spare pallets later, and share pallets with different machines. For instance, in our machine shop, there is a system where one 5-axis machine and 2 horizontal machines share the same pallets. How did you like it? You can see our commitment to the build quality at Matsuura. On the Matsuura YouTube channel, we showcase many videos to explain this commitment. Of course, we always welcome your visit. Please see our craftsmanship with your own eyes. Thank you for watching and see you next time.